Man, what is that? Still burnt? Come on. How much more burnt stuff can we do? Just kidding. We got a lot. A whole shelf full of burned bunk bed stuff. Oh man. Hey team, what's up? Welcome back to nikobrothers. So like I said, we got some burnt things. We're gonna take it apart, we're gonna strip it, refurbish it, redo it completely, and get this thing looking good. So let's go get in all our bunk bed parts recoated, reupholstered. So there we go, got some of it down onto my board, and wow, a lot of work ahead of me. Most of these boards I'm basically just gonna use the template, cut out new boards, but throw them away. But check this pile out, dang. It's like, how do you eat an elephant? I guess one bite at a time. So we're gonna take one, strip it, check out the wood if it's not too burnt, rewrap it, foam material, and repeat. Wow. Lots and lots of work ahead of me. I don't think I'm gonna have enough material, but just keep going with what I have, and then buy some more and repeat. So these are all my brackets for my bunk bed. I basically got them sanded down, re-primered, and painted white. So they're looking pretty good. At least all my skeleton, the metal frame, okay. Just need everything else. So these are our other two tables that were okay. We decided to go ahead and paint in the tuxedo black. It's gonna match our dash, and it's gonna look really good. Got them scuffed down, and then basically we're gonna primer them, bulldog them, and get them recoated, painted, and cleared. Oh yeah, they're gonna look nice. So goodbye brown and hello tuxedo black.
Okay, so we're back in the paint booth and we're gonna paint the two tables the tuxedo black and see how that turns out. And also we found two more pieces from the dash we gotta paint. So good thing they're gonna be the same color. So let's get straight to painting.
Alright guys, check them out. That looks fantastic. I really love the tuxedo black for a little tabletop right there for the driver's side, and this is gonna go for the back, and those are just little covers that we made, or we restored to go right over that cluster and everything. Just love it. It looks so clean. I don't know if you can see all the glitter and stuff inside of it, but nice. That turned out great. But now we can keep going forward. Let's get this thing together. Alright guys, there we go. We actually picked up our upholstery pieces that we dropped off. You remember before they were like that tan color with all the little mesh and stuff, but check it out. It looks really good. Solid gray. I think they did a good job on it. Honestly, it's a little spendy. Upholstery, if anything's expensive. I mean, if it's for boats or for RVs, everything costs money, but it's gonna look really good and it's gonna match our interior. That way it's nice and solid color. So let's go ahead and get it inside, put it on there so it doesn't get damaged. So there are all my cushions right there. It's kind of a game putting it all back. Don't really remember exactly where it goes, but hey, we got videos for that, so it's not a problem. I'll just look at them and see where it goes. Get all my tools cleaned up and out of the way. Also for the front, I still need to drill that spot right there for my little table, which is gonna look awesome. Put my little covers back on, which was just seen outside. But let's just go ahead and clean up and get it going. Get it together. And there we go. My cushions are in. It's looking pretty good. Pretty simple. There's a little Velcro behind there. I got it for the bottom, but those other ones I need to buy some more so they could just stay on there. They could Velcro it on and off. So it's looking pretty good. I like it. Clean. Check out the back. So it looks like I'm still missing some pieces. My bottom parts. I don't know if I sent it off to my upholstery guy or not, but I think he's actually missing some pieces too. I'm gonna check my inventory by that bed. Oh, I was working on that. Just took a break so much since this came in, but need to go check it out. So my bottom pieces, but overall it's looking pretty neat. I like it. It's pretty cool. But let's keep going. So that is definitely looking awesome. I love how it's turning out. But I mean, I just need to put a pole there, drill the hole. It's not a big deal. I honestly want to go work on our new burnt RV that we picked up. Let's go see what we could do to that thing. All right, guys. Another beautiful South Carolina hot day. But basically right now I want to get the RV off the trailer. I went to the Ford dealership and I got a key made. You guys will never guess how much. I mean, I know all camper parts are expensive and this is from the dealership, but this key right here, $8. You can't beat that for sure. That's like, wow. You know, it's just a plain key, so it's not a smart key or anything like that. That's pretty crazy. Definitely old school, but hey, I'm not complaining. Got the key made. Let's go ahead and see if we can start it and get this thing unstrapped and off the trailer. And again, I gotta go ahead and fill up the tires, get some air in there, because I'm not gonna be able to take it off. Flat tires definitely make it difficult, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get those filled up. Alright guys, that was definitely a journey getting this thing unloaded. It really helped to have the key that we could put it in neutral and I could see the power. So that was really nice. And it basically rolled off after a little bit. We had a little bit of trouble here with the flat tires and they didn't really roll because the back side is burnt. The tires are flat, but got it off safely. My front nose is still complete, looking good. My front glass is nice. So let's go inside and show you what's going on with all the power, and it actually looks pretty good. Let me show you. It's nice knowing where the batteries are for the motor itself. So underneath the steps over here is for the house basically part. But on this side over here is where the battery is for the engine. So I got the jump box on there and then I got power going on right away. Check out this cluster. It's a little dusty, but overall, not bad. Turn the key. I got stuff going on. Look at that. 75K. Not too bad. I mean, park and brake, everything looks like it's working fine. The air is already turned on. For some reason, my player isn't turning on. I was really banking on that one, if not, I could buy another one, but it is what it is. Can't win them all. Should I even try the generator? Yeah, that's not working. Probably my cables got burned up or something like that, but fog lights, night shade. Is that working? Oh, look at that. Wow. That's awesome. I could probably just replace that fabric and be fine. Oh yeah, night shade is definitely awesome to have. Cab lights. I don't know if that's working or not, but overall it's not too bad. I don't know if I want to spin it over just yet. I want to check out the oil and things like that before I spin it. But let's check the oil like I said and then try to crank it over, see if this thing starts. That would be awesome. I don't know if you could tell or not, I got power, lights are on, my LED strip is going on, so that's awesome. Let's go ahead and check that oil. All right, let's see if we got oil. All right guys, good news and bad news. It's spinning over, but I can't get to start, but I think I have no gas because it's showing no gas, and I think the tank in the back melted, it probably burnt, so there's probably no fuel in the system, but that's okay. I'm still pretty happy. Definitely moving forward, made a lot of progress, just haven't started yet. All right guys, so we're back inside. It's honestly really hot outside, but I'm so excited and happy with our parts RV that we picked up. Honestly, I think there's so many good parts on it, and just to put that key in and see all the lights turn on, hear it spin over, what a great sound, honestly. So we got the generator, we got the engine, that front glass, all these great pieces. It's back there right now. Honestly, a front nose and a whole side if we needed to. So lots of great parts on it, really happy with the buy. And our burnt RV's coming together, really looking so much nicer with all those cushions on there. It's looking like it's almost ready for the road. I honestly have a camping trip planned for 2 weeks from now, so definitely need to move forward, keep going, keep hustling. There's so much work to do on it still, all the little details here and there. Definitely that front glass needs to get figured out, but we'll get that figured out next time. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Don't miss anything else coming. We're gonna get this thing knocked out on the road soon. Till next time.